Hello ladies and welcome to the Beauty Shaman. So Nira Precision Laser sent me the at-home device that looks like this to sample on my skin and do a product review. This is not paid. So I'm going to give you my direct feedback on how I feel about this device. Is it worth the $450 price tag to minimize fine lines and wrinkles compared to having laser done professionally? First, let's find out what it is, how it works, and then I will give you my reaction to using it and my initial thoughts. Let's get going. Okay, what are the benefits? The benefits of Nira is that it's FDA cleared and clinically proven to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, stimulate natural collagen production, and give you younger looking skin in just 90 days. That's the selling point right there. It's lightweight and has 5 adjustable comfort levels so that you don't experience pain, redness, or downtime. Sounds pretty good. It has a precision tip, as you can see right here, that makes it simple and fast to treat hard to reach areas like crow's feet and lines around the mouth. A huge selling point is that it only takes 2 minutes a day for 90 days to see results. I'm down with that, as long as it works. Okay, so how do you use it? All right, you take this and you apply it to whatever area you want to treat. You hold it there until the device beeps, then you move it on to the next area. You should feel some heat, which means it's working. So what's my reaction? My initial take on this product is that it takes patience. Just spend 2 minutes a day doesn't seem like much, but if you're like me, that means discipline. Laser treatments in the United States cost around $1,800 to $2,000 for the series, which is normally 3 to 4 sessions. You will see redness and swelling for sure, and there is downtime. The plus side of these irritations is that it is very quick, it works, and it's strong. So you get all the effects of it, but you're done in a month, maybe less. So the whole idea of taking 90 days with a product that's much less strong like Nira just depends on your personality and whether or not you're going to go for that. They also have a hyaluronic acid that they sent to me called Moisture Lock and a peptide cream called Youth Renewal. Don't you love the names of these things? Moisture Lock, Youth Renewal. After looking at the ingredient deck on both of these products, I would say that they would produce some results of plumping from the hyaluronic acid and skin smoothing with the peptides. Truth be told, peptides in particular are not as effective or powerful as active ingredients like oil-soluble vitamin C and alpha-hydroxy acids, but both products must be used daily to see results, and as soon as you stop, the improvements will go away. These are mild ingredients with mechanisms to plump and smooth, but there is no long-term benefit from using them. You use the Nira laser, apply some peptides and hyaluronic acid, you see plumping and brightening, and it makes you feel good, and you say, oh, it's working, right? So they're very smart to include both of these. However, real results of having better skin come from using ingredients, active ingredients that are actually treatments. These are not treatments, these are quick fixes. This whole using Nira and peptides and hyaluronic acids are quick fixes, which I'm kind of for that. Like, that sounds great. It's like eating chocolate, like why not? But I think it's just important to be educated that that's actually what's happening. My final thoughts are that I am using the Nira laser daily, and I will give you updates on my progress. So be sure to check back to the Beauty Shaman. Is it worth the $450 price tag? At this point, I can't definitively answer that, but as I use it, I will be able to tell whether or not this is actually worth the money and the time. My initial thought is that if you have the money, get it professionally done. It'll be quick, you'll have some downtime, but it's done, right? If not, if you don't want to spend the $2,000 and you would rather do the 2 minutes a day and use this kind of a product, I would say this is a good option. Obviously, I can't speak definitively about it, but I will kind of moving forward. If you have questions about this, please write down below. I always love hearing from you. And if you're using this particular product and you're happy with it or you're not happy with it, whatever it is, please comment. I always love to hear from you. And I think we all could learn from each other in these type of situations. So anyway, thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman and have a great day.